Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Offmark's collagen. First, always begin with a clean canvas. Gently wash your face with a mild cleanser to remove any impurities or makeup. Pat your skin completely dry with a soft towel. This crucial preparation step ensures that your skin is ready to fully absorb the beneficial ingredients of the collagen, maximizing its effectiveness for a radiant complexion. Now let's apply the collagen. Take a small, pea-sized amount, roughly 1/4 of a teaspoon, onto your fingertips. Gently dot the serum across your forehead, cheeks, chin, and neck. Using light, upward, and outward circular motions, massage the product into your skin until it feels mostly absorbed. Give it about 2 to 3 minutes to fully penetrate before moving to the next step. For optimal results, incorporate Offmark's collagen into your routine twice a day, once in the morning and again before bed. Regular application helps improve skin elasticity and reduces the appearance of fine lines over time. After the collagen has absorbed, follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in hydration. Remember to store your collagen in a cool, dry place to maintain its potency. Before full application, always perform a patch test on a small, inconspicuous area of your skin, like behind your ear, to check for any sensitivities. Avoid direct contact with your eyes. If it happens, rinse immediately with plenty of water. Should you experience any irritation, redness, or discomfort, stop using the product. For any persistent skin concerns, it's always best to consult a dermatologist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.